nito. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Happy New Year. Hope you're all doing fine. Medyo matagal-tagal na naman ako di nakapag-upload. Almost 2 weeks dahil umuwi ako ng province. Di ako nakapag-vlog for some reason. And ngayon, medyo madami tayong mga na-pick up na sticker bago matapos ang taon. And I just wanted to unbox itong mga sticker na to. Actually, marami ng mga nabenta ko na. And hopefully, napakita ko sa inyo at na-i-vlog ko. Pero unfortunately nga, nabenta ko na siya bago pa ako makapag-vlog ulit. Pero for today, what I wanted to show you is another sneaker unboxing that is worth 100,000 pesos. Excited? Let's go! Syempre, bago natin simulan tong sneaker unboxing, I would like to ask everyone to please subscribe to this channel. If I'm not mistaken, yung mga views na nagkakaroon tayo sa mga content na ina-upload natin is just 98% yung mga hindi pa subscribe sa channel na to. So please subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, share it to your friends para naman mas marami pang makanood itong mga ganitong klaseng content. Let's go! So as I have mentioned, itong mga sneaker na i-unbox natin ngayon is naka-line up na para i-review ko isa-isa dito sa channel na to. Gagawa tayo ng separate review and of course yung mga size ko, lalo na yung mga personal pair, I'm gonna have a non-fit shot nito mga sneaker na to, and then we will start with the least value or may pinakamababang value, resale value dito sa mga sapatos na to hanggang doon sa pinakamahal. And what I'm excited to tell you is I have this sneaker that I claim to be the sneaker of the year. And even some YouTubers and even Sneaker Planet, this is something na binigay nila yung crown to be the sneaker of the year. So without further ado, simulan na natin. So we'll start with this one. This right here is New Balance 327. So if you can see, Levi's for feet. And yeah, this is the collaboration of Levi's and New Balance. If you pop it open, let's go. This is what you're gonna have. Look at that beautiful sneaker. So meron siyang blue pagdating sa lateral side, and then you have here sa medial side yung parang white and gray na colorway. If we open or we get this one out, you're gonna see here, this is a really good one. New Balance 327 in collaboration with Levi's. You have that denim, you have that New Balance logo in the side, and then you have that gum sole that is extending hanggang sa pinakalikod ng sneaker niya, which is really nice. And then pagdating naman dito sa medial side, you'll see that different kind of parang siyang plastic material or napakanipis na parang different material dito na ayan. And then you also have that suede in gray, and then you have this one in denim colorway or in a navy blue colorway. So that is the first sneaker that we have. This is worth 6,000 if I'm not mistaken. When it comes to retail, nabili natin to ng retail, and this is selling for around 9,000 pagdating sa stocks. So I keep na natin to. Next sneaker that we have is here. Tanan! We have another Yeezy Boost 350. Syempre, hindi mo wala yung mga unboxing natin nang wala to. You have the typical Yeezy 350, and then if you pop it open, tanan! And actually, teka lang, bago natin buksan, this is a size 8.5. This is our size. Nagawa na ako ng review nito. Abangan nyo na lang to. We're gonna sell it out for SRP. So, this is a Sand Taupe. Hindi ko alam kung anong pronounce yun. Sand Taupe ba o Sand Taupe? Let me know in the comment section. Pero yeah, this is the fusion or the combination of the Yeezy Earth, the Yeezy Clay, and then the Yeezy Beluga, sabi ng iba. So yeah, it's a really nice sneaker. Another earth tone colorway na makikita nyo dito. Magkakaroon na lang tayo ng detailed review nitong sneaker na to in a separate vlog. So abangan nyo yan. Nag-prepare na rin ako ng mga on-fit shot niyan, and binibenta ko na to in SRP. Ipopost ko na lang sa groups siguro after I have uploaded this video. This one is selling for 13,000 in SRP, pero yung resale value niya will be around 15,000 to 16,000 ngayon. So, this is the second sneaker na meron tayo. Let me try to put it back in the box, and punta na tayo sa susunod na sneaker. Another sneaker that we have is a Yeezy. That's another Yeezy 350 V2. This is a small size, 4.5. And this is actually the most hyped sneaker or the most hyped Yeezy this year. This is the comeback of the black colorway, the Yeezy Bred. Yan, black and red, na originally ni-release noong 2017. This one is selling ngayon for around 20,000 pesos. Nakakuha ko nito ng 8.5 sa Adidas release, in-store release. And then this one, I got this sa online store nila. Yung 8.5, nabenta ko na siya agad and it's a good one. And then ito, sana napakita ko na sa inyo sa vlog. Pero ito lang for now yung hawak ko ngayon. So, yeah, this is what's left sa mga Yeezy VPs natin. So, this is for 20,000. And we can close it. Again, we're gonna have separate review nitong sticker na to. And then, of course, we have a Jordan 1 right here. Yan. Baliktad ba? Ayan pala. This one is sitting for a while. Nasa akin na siya, pero hindi siya kasabay nito mga to nung nabili ko, nung ibang sticker na papakita ko sa inyo. Pero kasi hindi ko pa to na-unbox dito sa channel na to. This is size 8.5. And then this is one of the best Jordan 1 if you will ask me. So this is the Obsidian colorway. Let me show it to you. Ayan. It's a really good one. It's kind of different dahil pinalitan ko na kaagad yung laces niya into cream laces. And then, meron lang akong shoe tree sa loob. So, yan. It's a really nice sneaker. Nakailang gamit na rin ako nito. But it's a good one. This is now selling for, kung nung una, medyo parang mura-mura pa to. Like around 18,000. Yung iba, alam ko nakikita ko, binibenta 11,000 yung mga big sizes. Pero this is now selling for around 20 to 25,000. Lalo na ito, 8.5. It's around 25,000 when it comes to the resale value. So this is the second to the last sneaker that we have. Ngayon, lastly, this is what I wanted to show you guys. This is what I call the sticker of the year. This is, if you can see, the Jordan 4 Offwhite sale. So this is the first Jordan 4 collab ni Offwhite. And then sobrang ganda. Binili ko to for my size for a personal pair. And yeah, let me try to open it. Ayan. Sobrang ganda. If you can see, box pa lang. Meron siyang plastic and some laces right here with a mint white, and alam ko may black, and meron black. And then if you pop it open or if you get it outside the box, this is what you're gonna see. Napakagandang sneaker. So sale color na sneaker na parang may suede, plastic or parang icy na mga materials sa likod, sa gilid. You have that raw vibe dito sa harap. Signature design ni Virgil Abloh. Yeah, it's a really good one. And this one is something that we bought nung nirelease siya, nirestock siya dito sa Manila. We bought this for a very reasonable price, pero this one is selling for around 50,000 pesos ngayon sa resale market. If you check StockX, is $1,000 or more. Pero of course, wala pa doon yung mga ibang mga fees na magkakaroon kapag binili mo talaga yung pair. Pero pag binili mo siya dito sa Manila, mas mababa for now. Pero I know this is something that will go up in value soon or after a year probably. Sigurado ako dahil sobrang unique at sobrang ganda nitong klaseng coloring nito. So that's actually the last sneaker that I have for now. Pero again, marami akong mga sneaker na nabili lalo na ng December and then binenta lang natin like yung Midnight Navy na mga GS sizes. I got a couple of Chicago Jordan 1 mids. We have, if I'm not mistaken, some Kobe's na nabenta din natin. And what else do we have? Another Bred, yung iba pang mga Yeezys. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Ito lang yung mga na-unbox natin kasi ito na lang mga natira. And again, nag-vacation kasi ako so hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. And then yeah, I hope that you enjoy this video. That's all that we have for now. And please make sure to subscribe to this channel, ring the bell for you to be notified para alam nyo kung kailan natin i-upload yung mga sneaker reviews na gagawin natin for each of this sneaker. Lalong-lalo na yung mga nasa size ko. So that's gonna be it for now. Again, maraming salamat for watching. Thank you for supporting this channel. Let me know in the comment section kung meron kayong mga suggestion that you want to feature in this channel, especially mga Yeezy reviews that you want to cover dito sa channel na to. Please let me know. Mag-usap tayo. And then, yeah, maraming salamat ulit. We'll see you on the next one. My name is Karl Lisondra and makita-kita tayo sa susunod na video.